Well, hi, this is Elizabetta, and today we will be making tuna-less tuna salad. I'm super excited about this. I hope you are as well. So let's get started and make something yummy. All right, so we have our veggies. So we'll have to have 2 of these. We'll get these chopped up. I like mine really fine, and so we'll do that. We have 1 carrot. We're going to shred this. Then you can get, I like this shallot, just a little, I have a red shallot here. But obviously if you prefer a different kind of onion, use that. Then I have 2 cans of garbanzo beans. And these are low sodium garbanzo beans. If you prefer to cook your own, you need about 3 cups of cooked garbanzo beans or chickpeas. We're gonna have some salt and pepper, and I want to use this vegan mayonnaise. And then I'm also going to be using a Dijon mustard. Obviously you don't have to use that, you can use a different, whatever mustard you may like. And one of the last things I put in is I crumble in a sheet of these Sushi Nori, Now, I am not a trained chef, so I'm not super fast with this part, but I do love cooking. I love making yummy dishes. So see, these are pretty little, and then they'll get chopped up again. So like I said, I use 2 stalks, and I'll chop them fine. Obviously, if you like them chunkier, keep them chunky. Less work as well, right? And there we go, see, pretty fine in there, and then we will chop them up. You professional people out there, I know you guys will do this much faster than me, but not too shabby. All right. Food is also our medicine. We eat well, we feel better. We don't eat well, we don't feel so great. So look at that. See, this is pretty little. And if I wanted to, I would chop it up a little bit more. Just a little. All right, so now on to shredding that carrot. I'm gonna shred this carrot, just 1 carrot. You can do more if you want, but 1 carrot for this recipe. And I like to use like the medium grade. So let's get shredding. Okay, so now to the star of the show of this recipe, the garbanzo beans. Some people call it that, chickpeas. There are actually lots of different names for it all over the world. But this is kind of cool. It makes me love this legume even more. So there's several fun facts about this. One is that it helps restore the soil. It is a nitrogen fixing machine, so which is really cool. It helps depleted soil. So how great is that, right, for our earth, for the land? And also the leaves, which this is kind of new to me, I didn't know this. The leaves have an insecticide, natural insecticide, and so bugs don't try to eat it, which is great. And this is really fun. I love coffee. And this special little legume has also been used as a coffee substitute since the 18th century, a caffeine-free coffee substitute. So how fantastic is that? And the last little thing that I want to share with you about this is that one of the main reasons I use it so much is that if you have 1 cup of chickpeas, that is 39 grams of plant protein. How fantastic is that? So what we're gonna do is, so the liquid that's in here, that you can use for egg, like an egg substitute. You can actually do a lot of different things with it, and I'll have more recipes and things about that. But what I do is I'll take a strainer, and I'll take my little cup here, the little with lids, some kind of container, and then I'll go ahead and I will drain the liquid out. And we are going to do, so let's show you. So see, that's a lot. So I'll do 2 cans of this. I'm putting it in a different bowl first because we are going to mash it a little bit before adding it to all the other veggies that are in the other bowl. All right, we'll put that in here. And look at that. So we're gonna put a lid on this, and really you wanna consume this in some way within a few days. I would say max 5 days, but about 3 days is a good number to use it. And like I said, I take this and I will make scrambled eggs with this, or I've even made sugar cookies with these and use this as an egg substitute. And it's been yummy. So let's go to the next part. Okay, so we have them in our bowl and we need to mash them up just a little bit. It just makes it kind of a little bit creamier, a little bit easier to put on your sandwiches if you wanted to do that, or just really anywhere. It just kind of sticks together, comes together better. And you could use a masher, like a potato masher. I don't know why I don't have one. So in the meantime, I just will use my fork and just do a light mashing of them. You could use a food processor and just give it a couple pulses. You don't want it mushy, you just want a little bit of a breakdown of them. And then we're gonna mix everything together. All right, so we took our mashed chickpeas, our shredded carrots, our onion, and our celery, and we put that together. Then I have 1/4 cup of the vegan mayonnaise. So then we're gonna put that in here. I have about, excuse me, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of that, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. So we put that in there. And then the last thing I do is, I remember I told you I take those nori sheets, like the Sushi Nori Sheet. So I take 1 sheet and I put it in a plastic bag, and I kind of just want to crush it. So this is, if you guys have other ideas how to do this better, to crush it, let me know. This is how I do it. And I just kind of crush it together. You see how it's little by little becoming smaller pieces. And then we're going to add this to it and mix it together. One of them keeps wanting to dance up there. It's slowly breaking down. And you don't have to add this. This is just another little thing that I like to add to it. I like the flavor that it adds. It gives it more of that tuna fishy salad taste to it. All right, we've mixed it all up. It looks so colorful. You can see that. And we're gonna get our spoon and give it a taste. Let's see. Well, that was so yummy. And you could add other things to it, obviously. You could maybe add a little bit of paprika or a little chili pepper, or maybe squeeze lemon juice in here. And normally I actually would do that. Honestly, I forgot to get a lemon. But having that lemon gives it a little bit of extra zest, which is nice.